Hi, everybody. This is Gary Dean, and this is our nightly video report for Tuesday, September 6, 2016. This market is getting torturous to watch. I swear I need toothpicks to hold my eyes open until the last 5 minutes of the day, and that's usually when the algorithms just put the buy system on and it goes. So right now it's business as usual for the bulls. Everybody is looking up, but yet we've had the high that's been made up here. Another set of bearish divergences on all time frames where even the 5 minute is there. I had mentioned that we needed the bulls needed to get through this 2084 for a reaction trade up to the 2088. Looks like 2188. Looks like that's what they're going to try for. Doesn't really change anything. The market is still, there's absolutely zero volume with this. And it's as even though it has not gone down, I believe it's going to go down all at once. And some people are going to be just absolutely taken by surprise. But the thing is that we have everything in place for it. And what I mean by that is we have our you have wave counts that have our that have the 5 waves, so that's looking for a pretty large drop to the downside. You have this bearish pattern, which is the reverse symmetrical triangle, that's looking for right now over a 200-point drop in the S&P here. You have bearish divergences that have started all the way back in the first ones started in right around in June. So these divergences are so just extended right now, where it just continues to go, and there's really nobody that is looking down right now, and everybody believes that it's going to be they're not going to let the markets down until after the elections. And like I explained last night, I just think that's a big wad of BS, because there is no such thing as one side that's going to hold the stock market up. It's just not. It's something that's just not going to happen like that. There's too many layers in there that would be investigating the other side to see it. So if it was someone like the Fed that was just propping up the market to try to keep a Democrat and thing, then you would have the Republicans that would turn around and have some kind of audit against them or try to do something like that. But I just don't believe that it's that's the case right now. I just think that we have traders that are really, really complacent. They don't believe the market's going down, so any little dip that's there, they buy it, and it's your typical situation with the bulls, where they will not leave the feeding frenzy until they're forced out, and they get forced out 99.9% of the time. They don't leave on their own, and this one is going to be no different whatsoever. So right now, I mean, basically, like I said, we have bearish divergences on the daily charts. We have bearish divergences on the 60-minute charts. We have bearish divergences on the 15-minute charts. We have bearish divergences on the 5-minute chart. We have bearish divergences on the monthly and the weekly. So, like I said, this is not a matter of, if it's going to break. The market is going to break down. I just, I don't know what's going to be the catalyst to it, but something is going to trigger all-out panic and selling. And really the main reason is everybody is just looking straight up. No one is even anticipating any kind of hiccup in this market, and usually that is when the big drops come. So right now this still holds to be the high right now. This is we have these divergences, sell signals, and very overbought levels as we head into resistance again. So let's see what plays out tomorrow. Like I said, to me these just by them, the way that they've been moving the market, these gap ups, and in the last 4 minutes of trading, they just rocketed higher. To me, it's useless, because this, the day here, you can see when they rallied it up and tested here and then dropped it some 10 or 15 points. They've been doing this all the time, and what they're doing is they're just shaking out traders. So this isn't a pattern of of the like we're going to be breaking out to the upside. This is more of a topping pattern, and really the main reason is there's been very little breakout. And even from every new high we've made, this one was not that much higher. There's 20 points. This one was even with it. So we're having this rounded top, and like I said, that's not something you want to jump on the bandwagon on the bull side. Let them do it. Just it's just frustrating. I think that's pretty much it. And they have almost frustrated, I think, every bear out there to where they're not even going to try to short this market. And it's like I said, usually these moves come all at once. I really don't believe that this one is going to be any different, but it's it is what it is right now. So let's see what plays out tomorrow. Have a great night, and I'll talk to you guys in the morning.